Can you say mama? Show everybody that you can say mama. Mommy. Oh, yeah, now that I'm talking, you say it. Say it one more time, mama. Mama. Say mama. Well, they can't hear you go mom when you're mumbling it. You gotta go mama. Go mama. Here you go. I'm not gonna hold it in your mouth, you weirdo. Say mama. Say it. Say mama. Say mama. Can you say mama? Mama. Mama. Say mama. Say mama. You're making mommy look like a liar. That's not very nice. Say mama. She said it, but I talked over her when she said it. Say mama. She's like, yeah, right. I'm playing right now, fool. Don't be interrupting me in my playtime. Whatever. You're gonna say it as soon as I shut this off. We'll see.